1. Hi, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to use the website to complete the simulation part of part 3 on activity 1. So at this point you should have gone through up to this point, including reading this little snippet about the game that we're about to play or simulate playing. So you're at this point. We're going to play 15 total games. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, we go over here and we just play the game. Pick a door. I got a goat. I lost, even though that goat is very cute. Play again. Oh, I got a car. I win. Play again. Oh, I got the goat. I lost. So I'm going to play that 15 total times, and then I'm going to keep recording what happens each game. Make sure you hit play again after each one. And then what I'll do is I'll record my proportion of wins. So remember, that's number of wins divided by the total number of times I played, or 15. So your answer should look like something divided by 15 here. And if you get stuck, that proportion of wins will be as a percent right here for you. But I would write it out as a fraction just as you're getting used to doing this. Okay, so great. You've answered a couple questions now. Now we're going to do some more simulation. So we are going to do some simulation here. So what we're going to do is just in this box, we're going to hit 10 because that's the first number. We're going to hit run it, and then we won 3 out of 10 games, or 30%. Okay, now I go to 50, I type that in, I hit run. All right, we won 19 out of 50 games. Or you can do the percentage, just so you could see it a little bit better. You can do the decimal, the percentage. Just keep consistency. But I would do at least the fraction and one of these two probably, just so you can see the numbers a little bit. It's a little harder to just be looking at fractions. Okay, so then you just keep doing that all the way to 10,000. All right, and then that's it. You've done that first simulation. And there's a question here, right? So make sure you hit this actual question. It's not just the table for 8. You have to actually answer this question as well. All right, that's it for the simulation there. So the next thing we do is we go down to the twist. So we put a twist on the game. How does it work? I click one of the doors. Okay, now I can stay in this door which is green, or I can switch to the blue door. But this door's out because that's a goat, and we don't want that. So there's two options, ways I could play this game. And what we're trying to investigate now is one of these options better than the other? And the way this is set up, I think most people will look at this and say, no, it's 50-50, right? There's only two options. I don't know which one is which, so 50-50. But once we explore this a little bit more, you're going to see that that's actually not the case. So I'll let you go through this and explore it. I won't give anything away. But what I'm asking you to do here is to investigate the switch strategy. So what we're going to do is just pick one strategy, switch, and just do that over and over again so we can try to learn about it. What does that mean? When you're playing this and filling this table in, always go blue. I won. Car. Play again. Okay, I'm going to pick this one now. All right, green to stay, blue to switch. I'm always doing switch right now, so I'll switch. I win again. Car. And so you're going to do that 15 times, record your proportion of wins, just like we had done in the previous game, answer some questions, and then do some more simulations. So I'm only asking you to do not all these simulations, just 1,000 of each strategy. So I'm not actually going to do that because I don't want to give anything away because it's very surprising and fun. All I'm going to say is, and if you need help with this, it's not working, just let me know. You just do the same thing you did last time where you put in 1,000 into this. You hit run it, and then you have the option. Either do switch, and you could tell that it's switched because it's blue, or you click the stay button, and then it'll use the stay when it does a simulation. So that's how you do this, either switch or stay, switch or stay. So I'm asking you to do 1,000 stays and 1,000 switches, and I'll let you see what happens so I don't give it away. But As with all of these applets on this website, if anything's going wrong, let me know. Make sure you're doing these things before the last minute, so if something goes wrong, we can figure out something else in terms of getting you what you need to do your work. So try it out. Let me know if you have any comments, anything like that, and thanks for watching.